I would. I definitely would. Like, what drew me to Cellfion? It was initially the project itself and the challenge of that. But as I've done this thesis now, or during the time I've done it, I've met, I think, almost everyone that works at the company, and there isn't a single person I haven't liked so far. So from that perspective, definitely, yes.
We would definitely recommend Cellfion to other master thesis students, and the main reason is they've been so supportive through if there's any bumps in the roads, or also understanding that there's different stakeholders in the project as well, both from the academic perspective, KTH and R circumstance, and also for Cellfion, and then really help to connect those two together. And I think that's been something that's been really helpful for us, and is something that we value as a student.
So a central part of our education has been sustainability. So we've been looking at a lot of, particularly the energy transition. And so we looked through different KTA portals for master theses and found Cellfion, which really drew our attention, as this has been something that we're both really interested in, particularly through our education.
Since the membrane that Cellfion is doing is a bio-based material, and also that, as Stefan said, with the energy transition being so vital and important, we thought that brightest flow batteries was really interesting and something that we haven't heard about before. And though both being bio-based and something that we believe that the future energy system needs, it's something that really drew our attention and made us apply.
I was intrigued by the use of cellulose as this exchange membrane, and I was also intrigued by the electrochemistry part of it. I hadn't studied electrochemistry in that sense, but I had tasted the subject, and I liked the idea of it, so to speak. I sent an email to the contact person, which is now my supervisor, and had a meeting with them. So it was first and foremost the challenge of using cellulose as the exchange membranes, and then I also got to meet two people from the company, and they were very nice. So that was just a match. My master's thesis at Cellfion entailed the production, characterization and modification of ion exchange membranes, and more specifically cationically charged membranes.
So the master thesis that we're currently conducting is more or less a market analysis of the redox flow batteries. That is one of the application areas that Cellfion is doing. And what we're more looking into is what the competitive position is for the RFBs, or redox flow batteries, and what the customer requirements are, and then how the membrane can help and support those requirements or meet those requirements. So after graduation, I'm going to continue here at Cellfion, and I'm going to work as a business developer. So mainly work with customers, but then also help with the strategy and use the findings from our master thesis and help on what strategy to apply for redox flow batteries, but also for fuel cells later on.
I will look at different parts. I will try to pursue my, long-time passion for cars and look for the automotive industry.
My plans after graduation are to start working at Cellfion. Apparently they liked me enough to want to hire me, and I've said yes. So I'm really excited to be able to keep working in the lab and keep doing the research I've started doing right now. I really like that, so that's nice.